I was craving something warm, spicy, and delicious, so I decided to make this Delta style okra pepper soup, commonly made in Delta State by the Ijos, Shekiri, and Urhobo. So for this okra pepper soup, you will need okra, you will need your fish. So I'm using fresh fish for this soup. So you will need pepper soup spices, seasoning, salt. I also have some beletete. I'll also be using periwinkle, some prawns, and I have blended crayfish, blended scotch bonnet pepper, blended dry pepper. For this okra pepper soup recipe, pepper soup spice is a must. Like, you can't skip it, except maybe you are trying to make something else. Maybe you are trying to make oilless okra soup, then you can skip the pepper soup spice out of it. Growing up, I didn't really enjoy eating swallow. I didn't like it, but anytime this soup is being made, I really anticipated it because I really love this soup. I really love how spicy it comes out, and I like the fact that there is no oil on it, so I really enjoyed the soup while growing up. Let's get into the process of making this Delta style okra pepper soup just the way the Deltas love it and prepare it. So first off, I'll start by cutting my fish. Halfway into cutting my fish, so I saw that this one fish will not be enough, so I went into my freezer and brought out another fish. So I added one extra fish and making it two, because I won't be using any meat for this soup. I'll be using only fish for this soup. So after cutting my fish nicely, I went ahead to clean it up with hot water. You can use any protein of your choice, maybe dried fish, even some people add meat. Depends on how you like your protein, but I was really craving for just fish and fresh fish precisely, so that was why I made it with fresh fish. So you can make it with any protein of your choice. So I'm done with the fish, so I'm going to add my cleaned fish into a pot. After going in with the clean fish, I'm going to go in with a bit of salt, pepper, and seasoning, and I'm going to add some water to it, and I'll allow this to boil. After about a few minutes, it's boiling already, so I'm going to gently take out the fish from the pot so that it doesn't scatter. Then after taking out the fish, I'm going to go in with more pepper. I'm going to add some dried pepper to it. I'm going to go in with my pepper soup spice. I'm going to go in with some blended crayfish powder. I'm going to bring this to a boil. Then next, I'm going to be going in with my okra. So I chopped my okra into two different sizes. I used a food processor for one. Then I chopped one into a bigger chunk. So I'm first of all going to be adding this one I blended with a food processor. I really want it to come out slimy, so that was why I chopped it into two different chips. So I added the okra. I'm done adding my okra, so next I'll be going in with my prawns. So I added my prawns into the soup. So I went in with a bit of salt and seasoning, and I tasted it. It was perfect. The taste was good. So I'm going to be introducing back my fish into the soup gently. I'm done adding the fish, so next I'll go in with the periwinkle and I'll try to stir this a bit. Then I'll finish up by adding beletete to it. And guys, the soup is ready. This soup is pretty much simple. Like, it is a very straightforward soup. Like, it's easy and it's delicious, it's spicy. It's nice. So this is it. Our okra pepper soup is ready. Please click the subscribe button if you are new here and subscribe to this channel. And I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers. I'm so grateful. I'll be serving my soup now, and I'm going to be pairing it with gari. Yes, yellow gari precisely. And look at what we have. This soup was so yummy. It tasted so good. I really enjoyed it. And tell me, will you be trying this method of preparing okra pepper soup? Like, will you be trying the style? This is pretty much easy, straightforward. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.